Okay, on the Maytag here we have the drain going on right now. The lid in lock mode. We're just showing you a everyday, real life use with this Maytag. Okay, here's the rinse mode. Well, people are complaining about the noise here, but I think what we have to realize is, here's a spin cycle actually. Is that they're making these pumps and components very small, very efficient, and very high powered for their size. So you're used to a big machine with all that noise all the time, then you get to a quiet machine with high power parts in it and a lot smaller. Like you see here, it's on spin mode, so basically spin and rinse. It's really not that bad. It's actually pretty quiet. Listen to it. My other washer was probably twice this sound. The noise level was probably twice this. A lot of things you can do is balance out the machine with the legs down at the bottom. You can twist the legs and balance the machine out, make it perfectly flat to get rid of any of the tone that's in the casing of the actual machine itself. Even with the clothing a little bit off center, you can hear it. It's still pretty quiet. It's not that bad. Okay, that noise is actually the drain tube in the back that I didn't tie down, actually, so listen here. See how simple that is? Get a zip tie, tie down the actual drain tube, and there's no sound. See how easy that is? Most of the time when you hear these complaints, these are operator malfunction, or they don't know what they're doing, okay? Very simple. That thing must be spinning really fast. Actually, I think it was saying something like 870 RPMs, which is pretty decent. I gotta zip tie the tube there. But you get the hint. If I don't zip tie it down, that's what it sounds like. There's the brake. That was the electric brake kicking in. Okay, here you go with the rinse cycle. So it's going to fill. Probably spin a few times. Drain down. And it's done. So just remember, balance out the feet on the bottom of the machine. Tie down all your tubing and drain tube, and that'll get rid of all the noise that you hear. Don't listen to all these crazy people on the internet that have no clue what they're talking about. 99% of the time, it's operator malfunction.